imagine just whipping this bad boy out on the go? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. It's an exciting day for me because we have a brand new subscription box, you know, one to add to the masses. And masses of subscription boxes we do have. But we have a brand new subscription box to the channel. This is the Paradise Delivered box and I kept seeing it places. It was popping up everywhere, like daisies. And by everywhere, I think I mainly mean Facebook. I don't really use Facebook that much, but like anytime I was on there, this box was right there. They were also offering a 50% off coupon and I do love me a coupon. So yes, I decided that we we're gonna go ahead and try out the Paradise Delivered subscription box. Now I saw a lot of people saying like, oh, like this is basically FabFitFun. This is better than FabFitFun. Like really comparing it to FabFitFun. So when I got it, I didn't expect it to be this itty bitty. This is a pretty small box. It's supposed to be 8 full size like home, beauty, health, wellness, that kind of items in it, just like kind of like FabFitFun. But it's quite small and it is $48 a month. Is this a monthly subscription? I should have looked into that. It is monthly. Oh, it's $49.99 per box, but it does get free shipping. But I did get a 20% off coupon, so it was like 25 bucks. Oh, this is a spa-inspired staycation. Are they all spa-inspired staycation boxes? Receive 7 to 8 full-size hand-selected vacation-inspired products every month. So okay, I guess these are vacation-inspired. I didn't look into it that much. I really like everything to be a surprise when I get it and open it, so like I try to do very little research if you haven't got onto that. It says enjoy bath and beauty products, trending fashion accessories, best-selling books, more exciting surprises. Reviews on Cratejoy, it has a 4-star average subscriber rating, which that sounds pretty good out of 171 reviews. So yeah, I'm excited to see what's in here. I'm always excited about getting a brand new subscription. I truly expected it to be bigger because people were comparing it so much to like other kind of lifestyle subscriptions. But you know, I don't go on vacation very often, so it's kind of exciting. You get one brought to your house. All right, so on top here, we do have a little card that'll tell us about all the items on the inside, which I really like. And there's some branded paper. Oh, there's food. I'm very hungry. I'll eat that. There's like a granola bar in here. Oh, it's so little and skinny. Kind bar's always been like paper thin. Look at that. Well, we might as well go ahead and talk about our first item in here, which is a Kind bar, now with peanuts. Dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. I don't know if like the now with peanuts is really like a huge selling factor, because typically if you're buying like a, you know, like a nut mix, the selling factors on those are like how few peanuts are in them. You know, it'll be like less than 50% peanuts. So like, I guess maybe that's exciting if you really like peanuts. This is only a 90-calorie bar. I guess that's why it's so thin. It literally looks like, you know, I've had these type of bars before, but it looks like it's been cut into like thirds. Like, you know, like long ways, like really like shaving off a few layers. Or tough. I like it. Of course I like it. It's covered in dark chocolate on the back and I do get a very like strong peanut hit. I'm so hungry. Alright, now I gotta get all the nuts out of my teeth. Give me just a second. They're like all up in there. It's so sticky. Alright, moving on to the next item here. We have a little tie-dyed, oh, it's like a headband and a scarf and a face mask and all sorts of things. This is from the brand Cambridge Proper. It is a multi-wear bandeau. Oh man. Oh wow, they even have it as a scrunchie. That is far too much material for my hair. Oh, that's interesting. I definitely anticipated this being, oh, that's so weird. I was like, dang, I really thought this was going to be stretchy and this has like no stretch to it whatsoever, but it stretches this way. Interesting. Why did I just assume that all stretchy fabric was stretchy from all directions? Yeah, I mean, everything I'm wearing is stretchy. Everything I typically always wear is stretchy and I feel like it stretches from like every point. Yeah, I feel like this looks like one of those little like tube dresses that you can get on like Shein. I like the blue tie-dye. I do really like tie-dye. It's one of my favorite like prints or patterns. Why is it stretching now this direction? What's happening? That is the direction it's been stretching from the entire time. This way is the way it doesn't stretch. Listen, I just got done filming like an hour-long rant about my new house and how it is no longer my new house and how we lost it. And I think my brain's all scrambled from like yelling for like an hour. Anywho, so we got a super multifunctional little piece of stretchy fabric here. I personally think the way I would use it most, I don't actually really know. I feel like this is a very like outdoor kind of activity use scarf. I'm not super into outdoor activities. I do like camping and hiking and that kind of stuff. I just very rarely go and I'm not in an area where like I would need to, you know, protect my nose from dust or anything like that. I wouldn't really use this as like a headband or a scarf. It's way too much material for me to really do anything with my hair in it. So I'm sure people get a ton of use out of stuff like this. I just personally wouldn't be able to. But you know what it reminds me of? Textbook covers. Do you guys remember those? Like back in the day, you would get these like cute little stretchy covers to go over your textbooks, and a ton of them were tie-dyed, and this just like looks like one of those. I'll have them. Oh my god, I have no use for a stretchy textbook cover, but now I want one. I got ones with donuts on them. I feel like these are much more fun than mine used to be. Panda. Following that, we have an interesting little I don't know why I started yodeling in the middle of that sentence. We have an interestingly little, the design is interesting. I like, the pattern is different is what I'm trying to say. Jesus. Extendable back massager? Do-it-yourself massage therapy at home and on the go. Could you imagine just whipping this bad boy out on the go? You're sitting in like a work meeting, like watching a presentation or something, and you're like, you know, just get... Well, then your handle pops off, and then that's embarrassing. This wasn't embarrassing to begin with, but your handle popping off is somehow more embarrassing. I don't really know if I would be like an on-the-go kind of back massage person, but let's see like how well this works. All right, we're gonna go under the shirt. Oh, what's my spine? Oh no, it's not. Okay, it's doing a little something. It feels like a very like gentle kind of poke on my back. It doesn't really feel honestly like it could massage anything. I feel like you can't really get enough leverage to, you know, dig in there and really work the muscles. Maybe if I didn't have it extended all the way. Wrapped up in my hair. Okay, if you don't extend it all the way, you definitely can like dig in a little bit more, but then that kind of defeats the purpose because you can't really reach like all the areas. Or maybe you can, you just gotta maneuver. Okay, I mean, it's fine. This is fine. It says this could like scratch a nagging itch, but there's no way. If you're itching and this is what you're going for, this is not going to be adequate enough. Maybe if you put some like pokey bits on the end of these little balls, that's the only way that this is going to scratch it. This is not very scratchy, but it does have like a gentle massaging effect. Ooh. This is my worst area for muscle tension. I feel like I'm constantly like so tense, and I hold it all right here in my shoulders. I mean, look at that. I look like a daggone bodybuilder. Look at those traps. And believe you me, this is absolutely not from any type of like exercising, weight training. This is just stress. You want big traps? Just be constantly stressed and hold your shoulders like this all the time. I really like the brand name Cheezos. I really do. It sounds like a knockoff version of like Cheez-Its and Cheetos stuck together. Cheezos. Okay, so this little thing, it's a little bit different. It's kind of fun. It doesn't feel like super well constructed. I really wish it felt more like sturdy again, so you could kind of dig into your muscles more. I feel like if I put too much pressure on it, it might snap a little bit, and like the end pops off. So perhaps not like the most high quality item, but you know, it's something a little different. All right, next in here, I'm feeling a couple of squeezy tubes. Let's go for this guy. Oh. This illustration on the front makes it look like there's a phone like being thrown in her face and bouncing off. What a strange illustration to put right on the front of your bottle. Anyway, but this is a blue light protection mask. So it's showing the blue light from the phone bouncing off your skin. And again, I'm in the camp that believes that that isn't a thing. I don't really think that blue light is gonna hurt your skin, to be fully honest. You know, unlike UV rays or something that are very intense and powerful, I just can't imagine like the light from your phone really doing too much to your skin. I mean, I'm not a scientist, I don't really know, but I kind of don't think that's a thing. It says it helps shield harmful high energy visible HEV blue light from laptop, smartphone, television, LED lights, and computer screens. And you know what, maybe there is some science that says that those lights coming from those things are damaging to your skin in some way. If that is a real thing, let me know down below in the comments. Like I said, I'm no scientist. I wonder how it blocks it though, because like sunscreen has what does sunscreen have? I want to say USB so bad, but I don't think that's it. But I wonder what it is in here that protects you from 94% of this HEV light. This is from the brand Mud Masky, and you're supposed to apply it to your face and leave it on throughout the day. So like wash your face and put this on. I wonder how like makeup and stuff layers over top of it. It's definitely an interesting concept. I just don't know how like necessary this is and how gimmicky it is. It's like, oh, you know, you look at phones and screens all day. Well, you know what? You're gonna have to fix that. So buy this product. All right, next in here we have another squeezy tube. Oh, it's a cuticle cream. I actually really need that. So I tried to like clip back my cuticles the other day, and I don't know what happened, but they just kept going. I don't know if you guys can see how red they are, but they hurt so bad. The skin just like keeps peeling back. Is that normal? All I did after the shower was just kind of push them back, and I have like a cuticle trimmer and I just kind of trimmed them off so they didn't look so awful, and yeah, they just keep peeling themselves. But maybe this will actually help out. This is from Coretto. It is a caffeine enriched beauty vanilla latte cuticle cream, and that sounds like it's gonna smell super yummy. It also says it's enriched with caffeine. I have no idea why your cuticles need caffeine, but it has it in there. It's supposed to help restore moisture, and it says it absorbs quickly, so let's go ahead and, oh my heavens. Not only did I break the lid just trying to open it, but it squirted out. Oh, it smells pretty good though. It's going everywhere. Oh no. Okay, hold on, hold on. I'm assuming you can, oh, it burns. I'm assuming you can probably use this as just like a hand cream too. It doesn't have to go just directly on your cuticles. It does smell good. It has a very strong kind of artificial vanilla scent, and there is just like a little bit of like latte to it as well, maybe a little bit of like coffee. I feel like I definitely might have put too much on because it is having kind of a hard time absorbing into my skin. But I mean, it does feel very moisturizing. It does, however, burn in these two. You can see how red they are now. But yeah, okay, lovely. A cuticle cream. Again, I like the smell of it and it feels pretty good, so that seems like a nice product. All right, we have a few boxes in here. Let's go for this tiniest little one first. This is from Glow On Fifth Beauty, and it is a Scrub-a-Dub lip scrub. Ooh, and it's in the scent or flavor strawberry. I like that. I also like the color of this box. It's like a really like nice light kind of happy blue. These little containers kill me though. Look at this. If you looked at that, it would look like there's absolutely no product in here because this entire glass base is empty. It's just a hunk of glass. The product is like up there in the cap. You get 0.14 fluid ounces of it. Doesn't really smell like too much. There's a little bit of strawberry hint at the end. Oh, firm. Doesn't taste very strawberry-y. Probably shouldn't be the first test that I run, but it doesn't really taste super strawberry-y. Should I go? I guess I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I was gonna ask if I should go ahead and try it. I was putting it on my lips. Those lumps of sugar are real big. They kind of hurt a little bit. It doesn't taste great. No, not really. It tastes, this might not make any sense, but it tastes kind of like a Dollar General smells. And I don't know how to justify saying that. I don't know if I can explain further, but there's almost like there's just like a hint of that like maybe plasticky scent you get from the DG. I don't know what it is. I really, really wish this tasted or smelled more like strawberry. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off real fast because I don't think I can like lick it off my lips. Yeah, not tasty enough for that. All right, moving along to this box here, we have something from Neobay. Natural and Organic Vitality Vitamin C Booster. And this is a day cream. I do know, I think if you're wearing a vitamin C like outside during the daytime, you definitely need some type of sunscreen. You should wear sunscreen all the time anyway, but I do okay, let's not use that finger to open things, but I do think vitamin C can make your skin a little bit more susceptible to being damaged by the sun. It smells kind of citrusy. Oh, that smells kind of good. I kind of like that. We just have a little jar of it. I mean, it looks like a good amount. It says that you're getting 1.6 fluid 9 ounces in here, but it feels incredibly lightweight. I don't know if maybe that's just like plastic component of it. It's just super lightweight, but it really doesn't feel very heavy. I feel like there might be maybe like a false bottom situation here where like the entire pot isn't actually filled up with product. But this is 99.69% natural origin, and then 12.13% of the total ingredients are from organic farming. That doesn't seem like a lot. I don't know. They advertise natural and organic like with their brand name, so just having 12% of it be organic just doesn't seem like a whole bunch. I feel kind of so far that this is like a lot more skincare stuff than we see in like a FabFitFun. I was thinking it was going to be a little bit more of like a lifestyle type box from how it was advertised, but we have one more product in here, and I think it's also going to be skincare or makeup. Now you can touch up your hair or makeup on the go. Oh, at first I was like, what kind of thing are you going to put on your hair and or on your face? But I'm assuming we're going to get like a mirror or something in here. This is from Charlotte Star, and yeah, I think we have a little compact. So yeah, we just have a little compact mirror. It does say Charlotte Star here on the front, definitely advertising the brand. Never heard of that brand. It's fine. I do like how big the mirrors are themselves. This isn't a teeth checking mirror. Like, you can see your pretty much whole face in this. Oh, speaking of checking teeth. Oh no, I thought I got all the nuts. Oh, I think this one's magnetized as well. Okay, so it's bad enough that I said magnetized instead of what I was actually trying to say, but it's even worse that I literally couldn't think of the other word, so I just googled vanity mirror with zoom. Because I couldn't remember the word magnify. Ooh, this could be a nice like eyebrow plug-in mirror. Okay, I don't mind this. I don't really truly love the packaging, but it's fine. It's cute. It's really simple, just black and white. Again, don't know who Charlotte is, but I'm sure she's a nice lady. Listen, I'm about to get real vulnerable with you guys, okay? This is very personal. I have one long hair that grows right there. It's the finest, thinnest little like no color to it hair. It grows so long. Where does it come from? It's not an eyebrow hair. It's not a head hair. I don't don't know. He's there right now. I mean, like, he's right there. What the heck? Anyway, yeah, okay, so this magnetized mirror. Oh my god, I said it twice. What is wrong with me? Like, especially like your foam flash. Have you ever held up a foam flash as you're plucking your eyebrow? I might not suggest doing it because you'll be there for a very long time. It just, every tiny little like microscopic hair, I swear you can see with your foam flash. This is a very useful item. You know, you can use it over and over again, throw it into your purse, take it traveling with you, that kind of thing. So I like this. You know, it isn't like a makeup product, but I think this is good. But everything all together. Now, I did only pay $25 for this box, which I'm very happy that I only paid $25 for this box, because what I'm really looking at here doesn't seem like 48 bucks worth of product. We're gonna look at the card, but like just an overview here. So this is what we got. So this is everything that we got, and it would have been 50 bucks, not 48. I'm sorry, it's $49.99, and I'm sure there's tax involved as well, so probably a little over $50. So to me, this isn't a ton of stuff for 50 bucks. I was expecting more like diversity of products, you know, maybe like some home stuff, or like they said, like books, or just something different, just from what I've seen advertised. Oh, we did get this though, which I haven't finished yet. Wait till the end. You already got enough nuts in your teeth. So let's go ahead and take a look at the rundown of prices here. Say the cuticle cream is $24. The Cheezos Extendable Back Massager is $22. Even though I have been able to find the same exact telescopic extending rolling back massagers all over the internet for only a couple bucks. Charlotte Star Compact Mirror is $18. The multi-wear bandana is $24. Oh, bandana, not bandeau. A bandeau is like a like a tube top. The blue light protection mask is $59. Okay, yeah, that's a gimmick. That is a money-grabbing gimmick. Lip scrub's 15 bucks for 0.14 fluid ounces. I can't even do the math. How much was an ounce of this? That's my brow product. That's not even the stuff. How much would an ounce of this cost? I don't know. A lot, I guess. The vitamin C day cream is $46, and then the snack bar is $2. Honestly, $2 for 90 calories. I feel like that's not enough calories per dollar. I shall wait till the end. From my first impression, it's not my favorite box. It kind of gives me the feeling of like an Ipsy. Like an Ipsy with a granola bar in it. You know, there's a lot of skincare products. We're seeing a lot of things that are geared toward like the body and stuff. I was really just hoping for like some different things. I do think the $210 value for a $50 box is a little not the best. Maybe not the best. This comes monthly, so 50 bucks a month is actually kind of a lot. That is a lot. That's like $600 a year for this stuff. I don't know, you guys. Let me know what you all think down below in the comments. Is this something you would like to see again? See a few more boxes just to get a feel for it or not? Have you guys tried this box before? Do you get this box now? Did you get different things than I did? Just let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. I love reading and responding to them. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. So thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And so you guys have a lovely, wonderful, breathe, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.